My name is AHMED. It is a humanitarian broadcast managed by IMS. IMS, the International Media Support, is the media development organization. We work across the world, and in Somalia, in the past 5 years, we have been supporting the local media. We've been training female journalists in Somalia to prepare them to be part of the newsroom management. Radio Ergo initially began as part of the ERIN, the UN OCHA humanitarian news agency, which used to be called ERIN, and it used to be the Somalis office of ERIN. So basically what we were doing is to look for stories of ordinary people, stories of the real experience of the Somalis, because we are a non-political media house. We don't just do the day-to-day politics, and what we cover is often different and unique to other major media houses. I think we are the biggest in terms of the network. We have a feedback platform system, and it's a free to call. People can call it, ask us a question related to a medical, ask us a question how they can market to their products. So what we're trying is to create a kind of a relation and connection between the local community and the NGOs, international organizations, or whether they are local organizations. And so what that means is we're very inclusive humanitarian radio.